it don't look good. All of them wrong and all the ones are true, it don't look good.
You know what don't look good, Macka Diamond? Your sister Colleen.
Well, guys, you saw the topic, so you know what I'm talking about. I'm talking about, of course, and I see that video with the prisoner jumping off into the Rio Cobre, and of course, Macka Diamond versus Andre Stephenson. But let's go jump into the first story. So I don't know if you guys saw this video, but if you never see it, let me just go play it for you. Oh my God, no, that's pretty crazy, right? So when I saw the video, I was like, what is going on? Because it looked like something you seen in one of them Tom Cruise movie there. And so, social media, of course, people started to speculate, believing that the police officers were the persons who threw the man out of the vehicle. We noticed that his hands were bound, it was attached to a tire. And so it was a lot of questions like, and then if it is that this man that was being held by the cops, like, why did he choose to jump off right at Flat Bridge? Like, what was he trying to do? Was it like him trying to just off himself, or was he just trying to escape and him just end up and meet him demise into the very ominous Flat Bridge? I don't know, but according to Nationwide, they have the story, and so Nationwide FM said that a male prisoner believed to be in his 70s reportedly drowned on Wednesday afternoon after leaping from the back of a police vehicle into the Rio Cobre. It's understood that he was being taken to answer charges in relation to the sexual assault of a minor. Reports heard that the man was being transported from Linstead lockup to the Spanish Town police station when the incident occurred at this Flat Bridge in St. Catherine. Nationwide News understands that the prisoner, who was handcuffed to the tire, jumped from the moving Hilux pickup. Merciful. No, that is, it was like completely crazy when I saw it. Like I'm still like in disbelief, but now that we are here, say, apparently it's alleged that he had a young person, captive. He was messing with them, and so say he pretty much felt like, it better me just go meet my fate like that, because me gonna block up for life. And so him just decided for just act as him own catalyst and to just expedite the process. And so I guess that might have been it. We'll have some more clips of the scene. Definitely very weird, definitely crazy. Like, one thing, Flat Bridge, it got have stories. Like, if Flat Bridge could have talked, like the stories that surround Flat Bridge could make endless amount of movies and an endless supply of movies. Like, this has to be most of the eighth wonder of the world, because it's crazy. But anyway, burritos, we're going to take a quick little break, and then we will be back with the other story. Andre versus Macka Diamond. Money, oh well, it looked like said there is some drama happening, unfolding in these social media streets. I don't think anyone, would have expected that there would be a beef between Andre Stephenson, popular, political commentator, and dancehall artist, veteran dancehall artist Macka Diamond. No, let me just go start from the beginning of the situation. So Macka Diamond, she would have posted this video online that she's, I guess, quote unquote, defending the prime minister, that people online are say. But essentially she was just saying that she didn't like that there were a lot of messages, especially on TikTok and videos on TikTok, where people were saying very disparaging things about the prime minister. So take a listen to what she had to say.
You know what, Jamaican people? I sit down and I'm watching you all bringing down on the prime minister and saying all sorts of things. It doesn't matter if a prime minister is wrong or on the right or nothing at all. It don't look good. Jamaica, the world is watching. It doesn't look good the way on bringing down the prime minister. Jamaicans, stop it. Stop it. Come on. You can't bring down the prime minister on the country like that. When you have a problem, all of you people know how to handle things better, because everybody have social media. Everybody just jump on the social media and a disgrace in the country, disgrace in the prime minister. We understand on the field. I don't mind might run up and down. I don't wonder this, I don't wonder that. But all we have to do is wait and see what is going to happen. Ask questions nicely. We don't have to be battering Mr. Andrew Holness and saying he might do this and he might do that. We all do not know the truth behind everything that is going on, because a lot of things were going on in darkness, undercover, and we don't understand. And we must understand, say, Andrew is a human being. He might go through pressure, a lot of pressure. Sometimes he might not know what to do either. He might rely upon somebody to tell him what to do. You understand? So everybody needs to stop it. All our Jamaican people need to stop it. Need to stop, just come off of the internet and stop disgracing the prime minister like that. It don't look good. It don't look good. All of him wrong and all the one else are true. It don't look good. All right?
Okay, Macka Diamond. Okay, Macka Diamond. No, to me, I thought what Macka Diamond said, I thought it was fair. I thought it was, a pretty objective view. I, for one, I've seen many of the videos. Some of them people that tell the prime minister to go and S his mother. Some people have said some things that go way below the belt, like some fighting words may I talk. And I'm just like, it's okay to critique, but to go below the belt at that level with the prime minister of your own country, like, come on, man. Like, come on. Like, keep it cute, man. Keep it cute. But social media commentator Andre Stephenson, he got wind of, I guess, what Macka Diamond had to say, and him never meant for him words. Like, just take a listen to how he responded.
Like that. It don't look good. It don't look good. All of him wrong and all the one else are true. It don't look good. All right?
You know what don't look good, Macka Diamond? You. It's not she don't look good. We know that she not in the best state. But you know what don't look good, Courtney? Because I'm from Waterford.
Yes.
Macka Diamond is from Waterford. Mm-hmm. You know what don't look good, Macka Diamond? Your sister Colleen. Ball out! Macka Diamond has a sister that is mentally deranged. And she's not looking after her. That don't look good, Macka Diamond.
Yeah, remember Colleen.
Go remember Colleen and go fix up Colleen, Macka Diamond. Because Macka, you don't know Lady Mackerel. That's what she call, Lady Mackerel.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. You don't know what look good. So before you talk, Macka Diamond, go and fix your sister. Go and fix Colleen. Anybody in Waterford can tell you, Macka Diamond don't look at her sister Colleen.
Are you happy?
And you're in a better position. So it is the same way. To whom much is given, much is expected.
Which is right.
To whom much is given, much is expected. Go fix your sister, Lady Mackerel. Go deal with your sister, Lady Mackerel. Because you sound so deranged and fool.
Everybody. Why everybody?
Yes, sir. I'm going to give her the comparison now, Jamaica. It don't look good, say your sister walk around a beg and in a dirty clothes. And she have an international artist sister. Ishmael, tell me if I lie. It no look good, Courtney. So we as a country have a government and the Prime Minister can lead with leadership. It no look good, Macka Diamond. So just as why you say it no look good, Macka, for cuss him, it no look good.
And I use the money, yo.
I use some money, yo. I use a burn him. So go burn him and take man pan him and go deal with your sister, Macka Diamond. Go deal with Colleen. No. Anybody at Waterford can tell you how you neglect Colleen over the years. That no look good.
Nah, look back.
Ball out! Whoa, yo, yo, yo.
Well, no, honestly, outreach so I'm pretty shocked like that it went there. And listen, I'm still I get shocked. Like I didn't expect Andre Stephenson to take it there with Macka Diamond. I was very actually open and excited to see, his take on it, exactly why he believes that maybe people should say below the belt things to the Prime Minister. Maybe that is just my own, expectations and ignorance, but I was very open to actually hearing like how he would have, challenged what she would have put forward. But bringing up the sister mental situation, I just didn't understand where it stood in all of this. But then things gone up a notch now, because now Macka Diamond hear what Andre Stephenson said and then took to social media to then say this now. And Burritos, I guess me I forgot to go jump in from right now. I have to go and jump in from right now to just go and go put up one disclaimer, because merciful, see the disclaimer. If you have little ones around you, if you have it on speaker, please to move it from there. Me not really like for if you bleep out or play things like this, but sometimes in just transparency, I also, for the art of it, to just have things in its natural, raw state. So I'm going to play the video for you right now, as much as I can. Take a listen.
Andre Stephenson, come here. Come to my fingernail them. Andre Stephenson, come, walk up to my fingernail them. Lick a rat in a white shirt and necktie. They lick a rat. Andre, I never buck up nobody with fool like you. You're done, bad enough. You can't bring me down. Andre, you see the little necktie where I choke you every day? It's a choke your throat all where you suck out with. Yeah. You is a cocky name, man. You can't.
Yeah. I thought I could have played a bit of it, but it's yeah. I can't. Yeah, it's too much. I don't like when conversations go that way. I'm hoping that Andre Stephenson doesn't respond and then take it to another level below the belt, because right now I'm very open to hearing the political discourse. I think I'm somebody who I believe that you're supposed to confront the officials, ask them the questions, the tough questions, get them to answer, demand better from them, put some pressure on them to move with some alacrity. I'm very open to those type of communication, but I don't like disrespect, especially with our officials. Like bad to bad, there's a certain level. Like, come on, man, and I ain't like a combo thing if you talk to the people them where are leading the country. I just don't like to see it. You can critique, you can critique harshly, but it doesn't have to go in a particular direction. Come on, man, keep a little bit of decorum. Some bit of it must can leave back. But that is it for this Countdown Quickie. Spoke to you about the brother will jump off a flat bridge, and no Macka Diamond versus Andre Stephenson. Let me know in the comments. Do you think that Andre will respond? Do you think he will just ignore it? Do you think Macka Diamond is going to chime in again? Like, what say you? Let me know, Burritos, because you don't know, this is another Countdown Quickie where I give you a trending topic in a jiffy. Please to take care.